Here's the memorial statue for Lewis and Clark, the great explorers. Down here at the falls of the Ohio River, where the fossil bed is. You couldn't see this the last time a few weeks ago because water was so high from all the rain. So this is the falls of the Ohio River, where the fossil bed is. Lots of fossils down here. We have an airport not too far from here, maybe 20-minute drive. That's why we see a lot of planes coming and leaving. I wish I was on a jet plane going somewhere. But if not, I'm happy being here. Don't forget to be nice to people. Be encouraging to people. Get out of your comfort zone. Do something daring and risky that is safe and fun. And I guess that's it. I will just wanted to show you another view of it. Not too much different from the last one. But I didn't know if I showed it, this part of it or not. Let me get it larger. A lot of people goes down there and just sits by the river. Some fish. Some people will fish. So, y'all have a great day. And I'll talk with you soon. God bless you.